How you all doing? How you all doing? How's it going, guys? How's it going? How's it going? So quick one before because it's already 1 o'clock. Let me share my chat to know what you're looking out for. Let me share my chat on. So this is it. My chat. Present. Definitely. We lost money yesterday. As we are selling yesterday, the news just carried us and go where we don't know. I don't even know where the news took us. Although apparently the market sold based on our analysis, but we were able to hit surplus first before market went to our direction. So we had a loss yesterday, apparently. We had a loss. So this spike here took us out before market started tanking down to our direction. So we literally had a loss yesterday, but it's all good. So long as the amount of money that we reached yesterday was the amount of money that we are willing to let go of for that particular day. So that's why I'm able to come up today to be able to trade with that particular amount of money I told you all I will be trading to see that to show you that um, you can grow constantly from trading the market. Okay, so let me open my MT5 and show you that I refunded again today. So one thing you need to understand in trading is capital what preservation. Capital preservation. I know that when I make this money, particularly today, I'm going to make something more than what I lost yesterday. That is just how it works. Do you understand? So it's very, very important for you to always more be disciplined with your risk management and also know that it's just it's a game, it's a business of probabilities. So the higher probabilities you have, the more money you make. So it's very important to always what impute to always what put in the amount of money you're willing to let go of. It's very, very important to always do that. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. Very, very, very important. All right. So let me share. Let me make sure that everything is in check. If you can see my nah, no, we don't know. We don't panic. Nothing. Just you have to be very cool. Right? Like trading is very, very it's interesting. Trust me, like it's very interesting. Like something that literally that you're going to make a lot of money from it at the long run. But the important thing for you to always understand is that it's very important for you to just preserve your capital, reach the amount of money you want to raise. Be very make sure that your strategy has an edge and you're good to go there. When your strategy has an edge, you're disciplined with your risk management and you discipline with yourself too as well. You have nothing to panic. You no panic. Your composure will be 100. Your still is on ground. Okay. So let me just share entire screen. Let me share entire screen. Okay. Share. All right. This is it. I'm very sure you can see the chart. So now let's understand. Let's dissect this BTC USD properly to be able to make a trade for ourselves. So on the daily time frame, start from the daily time frame because we all know that I'm what a day trader. Although if you want to start from the Monday time frame, fine and good. Do you understand? Okay, let's start from the Monday time frame for a top-down analysis, for a concrete top-down analysis from the Monday time frame. So apparently on the monthly time frame, market is what? Market is an uptrend, no doubt about it. I'll come to the weekly time frame. What am I looking for in the weekly time frame? If there's going to be any pattern that's going to make market to test to the daily time frame analysis for us to buy. So market is giving me like an M pattern on the weekly time frame, which means the market should not turn down. But literally, remember on the monthly time frame, let's go to the monthly time frame, please. Okay, so now go back to the daily time frame. When we get to the daily time frame, what am I expecting on the daily time frame? What am I expecting? So let me refresh it. Let me set it. Okay, now I'm on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is giving me a downtrend structure. But now, please pay attention to this. In as much as daily time frame is giving you downtrend structure, but look at the pattern the market is forming here. This pattern here formed like this here. So apparently, I want to sell. This pattern here forms something like this here. This pattern you're seeing here is formed something like this here. So I come over to the 4 hours time frame to know what the market is saying, the direction of what the market is literally giving to us. What direction is market giving to us on the 4 hours time frame? So you see on the 4 hours time frame, someone is saying something. Let me check. Can you see my screen? Jeff Crypto, you see you can't see him. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Yeah, definitely. Let's print money, but I need to make you understand how the thought process of how I dissect the market. Very important. Amazing. All right, so let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart. So the 4 hours market, the 4 hours time frame too is also giving you what? The 4 hours is also telling you the market is on the downtrend. But please pay attention to the patterns. Patterns are very important because we all know that structures is what forms pattern. Without structures, there won't be pattern. We have to pay attention to the pattern the market is giving to you in each time frame. Very important to always put that in perspective. Then I'll come out to the 1 hour time frame to know what market is giving to me, so I'll be able to enter the market, whether a buy or whether a sell. So on this 1 hour time frame, market is literally showing you like a W pattern formation. It's giving you a W pattern formation. The only time I'm going to sell this market, and also the structure of the market on the 1 hour time frame is also a sell too. So daily time frame is a sell pattern, 4 hours is a sell pattern, 1 hour is a sell structure, not pattern. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, what am I expecting? What you're meant to be expecting is what to sell. But now, based on structure of the market, based on the pattern of the market, based on the pattern of the market, it's very important for you to know that markets different. Market literally want to buy for a little bit before it starts selling. So when I want to sell, it's only when market gives me that confirmation on the 1 hour time frame candlestick that market wants to sell. So if I see sellers entering this market on the 1 hour time frame candlestick bounce out, then I'll be selling the market. So that is just it, apparently. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand? So now our bias is still open. Our bias is still open. Our bias is still open. So please do not jump in for a sell or buy yet until the market gives you clear confirmation before you do anything on the market. Okay? Does that make sense to everybody? Does that make sense to everybody? So view is clear. Amazing. So view is clear. So if you have any question, can you let me know? If you have any question, can you let me know? And I'll keep you updated as I always do on the channel. I'll keep you updated as I always do on the channel. So if you have any questions on this, can you let me know, please? All right, so Tepo, can you ask your question? Can you ask your question? Tepo, can you ask your question? If you have any question, can you let me know? Then I'll keep you updated on this particular analysis we made. So what do I look at before entry? It's very simple. I look out for the pattern, which is M or W pattern. I look out for the candlestick, which is if I'm going for a sell, I need to be seen like what a bearish harami, a bearish engulfing, or a gravestone doji, or evening star. Then I also look out for trend line and psychologically around there, but not necessarily. As long as I see the pattern there, that is it for me. That is what I look out for. Do you understand? So that's how to go about it. Yes, just wait for market to give you a clearer reason to enter for a buy or sell, and I'll keep you updated on the channel. Okay. So thank you so much and take care of yourself, everybody. Let's have an amazing day. Please, I'll keep you updated on the channel. So feel free to go to the channel, which the link is on my YouTube, and subscribe for it. So that's it basically. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. LSW, not yet. Please do not do that yet. I don't trade the news. I just make sure that if my analysis is correct, it follows the news. If my analysis is wrong, news hits me out. That just like yesterday when our analysis was wrong, news hit us out. Although market started going to our direction, but that is it. It is what it is, though. Do you understand? So that is it basically, guys. Take care of yourself, and we see you on Monday, definitely. But I'll also keep you updated on this particular play that I just called out. It's very important. Okay, so let's have an amazing day and an amazing week, an amazing weekend too. Let's spend it, at least spend the little money you made over the week. It's very important. Take care, everybody.